welcome back to my channel. It's AmberSharniece, and in today's video you guys are going to see how I got this bold, out there makeup look. I don't know what to call it at all, but I just want to try to get into my eyeshadow life. I feel like I'm good at doing the face. I do the face all the time, but I haven't really been into eyeshadows lately. So I wanted to spice it up and do something a little bit different. I have this purple, blue, pink, green thing going on with the eyelids, as you can see. So really dramatic, really heavy. Well, not the makeup itself, but the eyeshadow look is, you know, it's really out there, and I actually really like it. But yeah, I want you guys to stay tuned to see exactly how I got this look. And thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that you guys can see all of my videos, and to be notified when I post a new video, go ahead and click that notification button down there somewhere. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right guys, so first things first, I'm starting off with my NYX eyeshadow base, and this is basically a white eyeshadow primer or base that you can use underneath the eyeshadow colors that you'll be using, and this is going to give the colors the vibrancy so that it can pop and stand out. Next, I'm going in with my matte palette by Carity, and it features 21 highly pigmented eyeshadows inside. I'll be going in first with the color Lumbia, which is a very hot pink, and it's very vibrant. To get this color to show up really nicely, I'm just going to be packing it on very lightly, and I am just going to build up that color around as we go. I'm now going into the palette again, and I'm using the color Coquette in order to blend out the harsh line of the pink eyeshadow. I think this is the best way to get the intensity of your color without disturbing the intensity of the color. Just go ahead and pack on the color that you want to use and then blend out any harsh lines that you may have. Next, I'm going to go in with some of my concealer, and I'm going to cut the crease of my eyeshadow look. Now, I initially wanted to do a cut crease look, but later on you'll see that I'll just pretty much blend out that line. I pretty much got to a point where I didn't know what else I should do to the eyeshadow look, so I just decided to screw the cut crease and keep it moving. Now I'm going in with the purple color, which is Ego, and I'm going to create a halo effect on the inner corner and the outer corners of my eyes here to get the halo effect. And that's pretty much all that I'm doing here. Next, I'm going to go in the color Phantom, which is a very dark blue. And like I said, initially I was going to do the cut crease. I was going to stick to that, but I decided to go against that. So you'll see me blend this out later on. However, I'm just using that to darken up the crease. Now I'm going to go back in with some of that NYX eyeshadow base again, just to make sure that I got a nice good base. It probably was covered up a little bit. And I am going to go in with the color Wicked in order to put that green on the center of my eyelid. As you can see, with patting these colors onto the spaces, it allows them to look very vibrant, which is awesome. Next, I'm going to go back in with Ego, and I'm going to mix Lumbia in there as well, and this is where you're going to see me try to blend out that crease, because I decided I don't really want to go for this look. Let's try something else, and this actually came out pretty good after blending out this line, of course. All right, next I'm gonna go in with the color Fiend, and I'm gonna put this in the very center of my eyelid. That's gonna give it a little bit more pop and a little bit more depth. So that's gonna, you know, bring the look alive just a little bit more than it already is. I'm gonna go in with this jumbo liner. I don't even know what brand it is. I don't have it right next to me right now. It's really not that good, so I don't recommend. Let's move on. I do have the Iconic Lashes by iEnvy in the style number 12. And these are some really, really nice, cheap option to mink lashes. I like them very much. They are reusable. So I would definitely purchase these for $4.99 as opposed to a $20 mink lash any day. And I'm just putting my Better Than Sex mascara on by Too Faced, which I love. Now I'm gonna go in with a white pencil on my waterline. And then we're gonna go in and do the bottom lash colors. I'm gonna take Lumbia again, and I'm gonna sweep that under the lower lash line. And we're just gonna play with some color down here to complete the look. Next, we're gonna go in with Ego, that purple, and we're gonna sweep that along the lower lash line as well to tie in that color. And then we're gonna go in with Phantom to complete that bottom look. Now we're also gonna go in with the green color as well. And remember that green color is Wicked. And look, we have a visitor. Now I'm going to use my highlight color, which is actually called Now's the Time. And I'm going to use that to highlight my inner tear ducts. I'm also using that as well on my brow bone. And then you just see me go back in with my Better Than Sex mascara to pull out my bottom lashes as well. Now I'm lining my lips with NYX lip pencil in the color Club Hopper. I'm going to show you the lippies that I'm using. I am using the Carroty color Fade Out, which is their liquid lipstick. And the darker color that I'm putting on right now is one of the ColourPop Ella Reed collections. And this color is called Henny Ways. I'm going to top it off with Love Child by MAC. This is a lip gloss. Basically, it's just a gloss, the same color or closer to the same color of those lipsticks. And I'm just putting that over the top. If you want to stay matte but not flat, honey, I don't know where I got that from. You use the All Nighter Urban Decay Setting Spray. And this is pretty much the full look. All right, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys were able to learn something. Go ahead and attempt it. Try to do it yourself. Follow me on Instagram or Snapchat and send me your looks as well so we can discuss it. Also, leave me some comments down in the comment section below. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you guys can know whenever I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. It's AmberSharniece, and you guys have a good one. Bye-bye.